Have you ever felt like you're just buried under a giant mountain of research papers? Yeah, me too. If that sounds familiar, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into how AI is becoming this ultimate co-pilot for academics, and really, how it's completely transforming the entire research workflow. I mean, this slide just captures the difference so perfectly, right? The before and after. On the left, that's the old way. We're talking weeks of work, that feeling of being totally overwhelmed, endless manual searching, and trying to wrestle with inconsistent citations. It was such a grind. But then you look at the right side, the after AI world. We are talking about turning weeks into mere hours. It's about automating discovery and actually having a structured way to write. It's a massive, massive shift. And this isn't just a feeling. These are real shared frustrations that I'm sure many of you have faced. This table here kind of breaks it all down, sifting through these massive databases, trying to figure out what's actually relevant, managing a sea of citations. It is exhausting, and it's so easy to make mistakes. This is the exact problem these new AI tools are built to solve. So where do we even begin? Well, the first step is what I call smarter discovery. This is all about finding that crucial signal in what feels like an overwhelming amount of noise in academic literature. The first tool we're going to look at is a total game changer, and honestly, it's one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your process. It's called Semantic Scholar. It's a free AI-powered search engine, and it's designed to make your search process smarter, right from the get-go. We're moving way beyond simple keyword matching here. So how does it actually work? Well, for starters, it uses AI to generate these little summaries, giving you the key insights before you even open the paper. Its search understands context, not just the keywords you type in. It can even create these amazing citation graphs so you can literally see how research is all connected. And best of all, it prioritizes papers by their actual impact. The bottom line, you find the important stuff way faster. Okay, so you found your papers. Awesome. Now comes what can be the hardest part for so many of us, overcoming that dreaded blank page. This brings us right to the drafting stage, where an AI can basically act as your personal assistant. This quote just really hits home, doesn't it? Academic writing is slow and mentally exhausting. That blank page can feel so intimidating. But the second part of that quote, that's where the hope is. AI tools have been a total game changer, and that's exactly what we're looking at now. So what's a tool that actually delivers on that game changer promise? Well, say hello to PaperPal. And this is not just another grammar checker. Think of it as an all-in-one AI writing tool, specifically designed to get you from a rough idea all the way to a submission-ready draft. The really crucial thing here is just how comprehensive it is. It helps turn your random ideas into structured drafts with suggestions that actually understand academic context. You can literally chat with your PDFs to get instant summaries and answers. It also lets you research and cite from this massive database of over 250 million articles. And you can do it all without ever leaving your document because it plugs right into Word and Google Docs. All right, you've got a solid draft. You're in the home stretch. Now it's time for the final push, polishing your work and getting those citations absolutely perfect. Now, before we talk about the next tool, it's worth just pausing on this fundamental concept, the citation. I mean, it's more than just a formality, right? It's how we show our work, how we acknowledge the sources that the entire foundation of our argument is built on. It's truly the bedrock of academic integrity. And let's be real, managing citations used to be a complete nightmare. But look at this number. Over 1,000. That's how many different citation styles modern AI tools can handle for you, automatically. APA, MLA, Chicago, you name it, the AI can format it instantly and accurately. And a fantastic example of a tool that just excels at this is Quillbot. While some of the other tools help you create from scratch, Quillbot is an absolute powerhouse for refining and polishing what you've already written. Think of it as your final quality control check before you submit. And it's not just one tool, it's a whole suite. The Paraphraser helps you improve clarity and find different ways to say things. It has a top-notch grammar checker, a summarizer for when you need to condense long texts, and of course, that powerful citation generator to build out your bibliography without any mistakes. Okay, so these tools are clearly incredibly powerful, but that power raises some really important questions, which brings us to the most critical part of this whole discussion, the human element, and navigating the ethics and authenticity of using AI in your work. And this is the question that's on everyone's mind, isn't it? But can my work be flagged as AI? It's a totally valid concern for students and researchers who just want to use these amazing new tools ethically. So how do these detectors even work? Well, it's not magic. They're basically just looking for statistical patterns that are really common in AI-generated text. Things like predictability, what the experts call low perplexity, which just means the word choices are very safe and expected. They also look for uniform sentence length or low burstiness, where every sentence kind of sounds the same. Essentially, they're searching for a lack of a personal human voice. So here's the thing. Avoiding detection isn't about trying to trick a system. It's really just about good writing practice. Step 1, and this is the big one. Use AI to support, not replace your thinking. 2, always weave in your own personal insight. 3, make a conscious effort to vary your sentence structure. And 4, which is absolutely crucial, always verify any data or facts the AI gives you. And this quote just sums it up perfectly. Avoiding detection isn't about tricking tools. It's about writing authentically and using AI responsibly. The goal here is to enhance your own unique voice, not to let the technology silence it. So as we wrap up, I want to leave you with a fascinating question to chew on. Are we just witnessing the arrival of a fancy new tool? Or is this the beginning of a whole new kind of thinking in research itself? It's definitely something to think about. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.